how to grow longan from seeds.
Growing longan from seeds.
So you just cut them open. You can really eat the outside. Here's the seed. So, two on there. And then put them in a glass of water for 12 to 24 hours. Put out the shell. There we go. Gently take out the flesh. And drop it into a glass. The longan seeds have been in water for about 24 hours, and we are now going to plant them in the pot. Split them out. Plant them about an inch deep. And water it in and cover it up. Put it in the sun and wait until we see some sprouts. Here are our longan seedlings after almost 5 months. It took about 2 weeks for the longan seedlings to start popping up after we planted them. We left them in full sun, and we had a pretty good success rate. We have 9 seedlings left after a very dry summer, so that's pretty good. We planted them sometime in July, and it is now November. They've been doing beautifully in full sun, but we've kept them in this small pot because we wanted to protect them for the winter. Although we do have a friend who has a beautiful longan tree right in Zone 9B, we also know that young longan seedlings and young longan trees need to be protected for the winter, while mature longan trees can get severely damaged at about 25 degrees Fahrenheit, which I believe is about 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. Young longan seedlings and young longan trees can get severely damaged once the temperatures go below 31 degrees Fahrenheit and hit around 1 degree Celsius. So we will protect these longan seedlings this year and the next couple of years until we feel that the trunk size has reached a size where we feel they can handle freezing temperatures. If you enjoyed this video, please support us by hitting that like button and subscribing so that we can continue to bring you many more videos about how to grow your own food without chemicals. Thank you for watching, and thank you for making the world a little greener.